Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely well. Guys, in this video I will be guiding you through the steps of how to transfer your PF amount from TCS to your new organization. I will be showing you the easiest step-by-step guide so that you can also perform it on your end. So before we start the video, if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel as I regularly post these kinds of helpful videos for all of you. So let's get started with today's video. See, first step is, guys, that you need to search for UAN on the Google, okay, and then you will see this link, okay, that is unified portal mem.epfindia.gov.in. okay, you have to click on this link, then you will be redirected to this page. Once you will be redirected to this page, you have to enter basic details like UAN number, your password, your captcha that is mentioned here, and then you have to click on sign in. Now guys, just in case if someone is not aware from where to check your UAN, you will find it in your salary slip. Okay, once you have clicked on sign in, next step, you will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. So enter that OTP and then again captcha and then click on submit button. Okay, once you click on submit button, this next screen will pop up. In this screen you have to check this tab. Okay, in this tab you will find an option of view. You have to click on that drop down, and then in that drop down you will find the option of service history. When you will click on service history, you will reach this screen. Okay, so once you have reached this screen, you have to verify two things, that is under your DOE EPF and DOE EPS. Basically these are your last date from your previous organizations. Are these last date mentioned here or not? If your last dates are not mentioned here, you cannot raise the request for PF transfer as of now. If it is if the dates are mentioned, then only you can move forward. So what you should do if the dates are not mentioned, you should wait for some days, okay, then the date will show, or otherwise you can send an email to TCS, okay, via the help desk or alumni portal. Okay, you can create a ticket and mention them that please update my dates here, and then it will be updated after some time. Once these dates are updated, you have to again go to this you have to check this top bar, and then in this header you will find online services options. In online services you have to check on one member one EPF account transfer request. You have to click on this button. Okay, once you click on that, you will be redirected to this page. Okay, on this page you have to come on step 1, and then you have to select previous employer, okay, attestation through previous employer, and then you have to enter your UAN number here and click on get details. Once you click on get details, then you will get the details of your previous employer, that is your TCS. Okay, once you get your details here for TCS, you will get a check button over here. You have to click on the check box, okay, and then you can click on this consent. Once you click on this consent and click on get OTP, you will get an OTP again on your mobile. You have to enter that OTP and click on submit. Once you click on submit, on the bottom of this page you will get this type of one column where you will have form 13 details mentioned, and you can download your form 13 by clicking on this button. Now this is the only main step, that is you have to download your form 13, okay, in which all the details about your employment will be mentioned about your previous company. Okay, once you have downloaded the form 13, it will have 3 pages. Okay, and on the third page you will have this option, that is signature of the member. Here you have to sign, and then again you have to scan it. Okay, and the soft copy you need to upload it somewhere. Where you have to upload, I'll tell you in a minute. So next step, you have to go to alumni portal. Okay, that is your TCS alumni portal. You have to log in and all. Once you log in, you will find this option, that is help desk. Okay, you have to click on this help desk button. Here you have to raise a ticket. Okay, that, and your detail should be, your category that you have to mention is retirement settlements, subcategory should be provident fund transfer procedure, and you have to upload your form 13 here, okay, which you have signed. So once you upload that form 13, then you have to add a comment, that is please initiate my PF transfer, uploaded form 13 as attachment. Once you do that, you have to click on submit button. Okay, after clicking on submit button, after 1 to 2 weeks, you will receive an email that your PF has been transferred to the new company. So guys, this is only the main steps or the procedure for initiating the transfer, that is PF transfer from your TCS to new company. So I hope I have tried to cover everything. If you have any more doubts, you can let me know in the comment section. I will try to answer 100% of the comments that I receive on this video. You can join me on Telegram and follow me on Instagram as well. You can ask your queries on Instagram DM as well. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to receive all such regular updates about TCS updates. Okay, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching the video, and I will see you next time.